Health tip of the day: the power of quality sleep, your body's overnight miracle worker. In our fast-paced world, many of us treat sleep as a luxury rather than a necessity. We stay up late scrolling through our phones, binge-watching shows, or catching up on work, believing that we can make up for it later. But here's the truth. Sleep is not a negotiable part of health. It's a vital process that your body depends on every single night to repair, restore, and reset. When you sleep, your brain doesn't just shut off, it gets busy. During deep sleep, your brain clears out waste products that build up during the day, including beta-amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. This natural cleaning crew helps keep your mind sharp and your memory strong. Meanwhile, REM sleep, the dream stage, is essential for emotional regulation, creativity, and learning. So, when you're short on sleep, it's not just your body that feels tired. Your mood, focus, and problem-solving skills take a hit too. Your immune system also depends heavily on quality rest. Studies show that people who sleep less than 7 hours a night are nearly 3 times more likely to catch a cold than those who get 8 or more hours. That's because during sleep, your body releases cytokines, proteins that help fight infection and inflammation. Miss out on rest, and your defenses weaken, leaving you more vulnerable to illness. Let's not forget your metabolism. Chronic sleep deprivation messes with the hormones that control hunger, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin increases appetite while leptin tells you when you're full. When you don't get enough sleep, ghrelin rises, leptin drops, and suddenly that midnight snack looks irresistible. Over time, this hormonal imbalance contributes to weight gain, insulin resistance, and a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. Quality matters just as much as quantity. You might spend 8 hours in bed, but still wake up feeling groggy if your sleep is constantly interrupted. To improve your sleep quality, establish a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights, avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, and keep your room cool and dark. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency trains your internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep naturally. If you're struggling to wind down, mindfulness or breathing exercises can help. Deep, slow breaths signal your nervous system to relax. You can also try gentle stretching or reading a physical book. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals late in the day, and limit alcohol, which disrupts your sleep cycle even if it helps you doze off initially. Think of sleep as your body's most powerful, free, and natural form of therapy. It boosts your memory, stabilizes your emotions, strengthens your immunity, and helps regulate your weight. So tonight, give yourself permission to rest. Turn off the noise, silence the world, and let your body do what it does best: heal, recover, and prepare you for another day of living your healthiest life. Sweet dreams. Your health depends on them.